Hey y'all, today I'm making one of my favorite recipes, chicken Alfredo. Let's cook. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna get started with my chicken here. I have some chicken tenderloins. I'm just gonna get these cut up and I'm getting rid of all that fat and stuff that we don't want. Once I get these chopped up good, then I'm gonna move on to the next step. And like I said, this is one of my favorite dinners to make. It's super easy, super quick. Not much that goes into it as far as prep work, so like I said, definitely super easy. Right here, I'm gonna get ready to season it. I just put a little oil on there first, and I'm gonna be putting some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Creole seasoning, and some Italian seasoning. Once I get that on there, I'm just gonna mix it up good. Alright, moving on to the next step. We are over here at the stove. I got some pasta boiling. You can really use whatever pasta you want. I got some farfalle, or I don't know how to pronounce this, but the bow tie pasta. That's what I'm cooking in here. I'm just gonna let that boil. I put a little oil and some salt in that water, and then I also have some frozen broccoli going in the back there, and then I put the chicken on the skillet on the side there. So I got everything working at the same time. I'm just gonna keep everything stirred. What are some of y'all favorite go-to dinner recipes? Especially when you don't have a lot of time to cook it, you just want something quick. Comment down below, let me know. Alright, so here I am stirring up this chicken. For my broccoli, I'm going to be adding some butter and minced garlic, and then I'm going to season that with a little salt and pepper, and then just let that kind of cook down for a couple minutes. So my chicken is done. I'm just gonna transfer that to a plate off to the side. As far as my pan, I'm not gonna wipe it down or anything. I want those flavors from the chicken to still be in there. So I'm gonna add some butter to this pot along with some heavy cream. And then I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit until the heavy cream starts to bubble up a little bit. Alright, my sauce is ready. It's bubbling up, boiling a bit. So now I'm just going to add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to give that a stir. And that container was about finished, so I'm just going to put in a little bit more. Again, I'm going to keep that stirred. And then I'm going to season this sauce just like I did the chicken. So a little bit of salt, pepper, some Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. And then just going to give that another stir. Also turning that down a little bit. So I'm just going to turn the heat down a little bit on that saucepan. As you can see, I also drained out my pasta. So after I drained out my pasta, this is where I tasted the sauce just to make sure it's how I like it. If I need to add more salt, any more seasonings, this is the time to do that. I have my little one helping me give that a stir, make sure everything is mixed well with that. I'm also going to be checking on my broccoli here. It's been about 20 minutes, I'm not exactly sure, but again, it is frozen broccoli, so you just want to check it and make sure you don't overcook it. You don't want it to be too soft. I added my pasta to my Alfredo sauce. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a mix. And then here I'm just going to drain my broccoli and then also add that to the pasta. Give that a mix. This is, where you want to get everything incorporated, get that sauce mixed in good with everything. I'm also going to be adding in my chicken, and this is the last step. Once I get everything mixed in good, we are good to go. This pasta is so good. Like I said, super easy to make, super quick, better than store-bought Alfredo sauce. So definitely give it a try. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more recipes coming. But until next time, let's elevate and motivate. Bye, guys.